Well, this is our third snowfall before the beginning of the new year. Of course, you know me, I always want to take a video of it to prove it to people that I was not kidding. We have not had 3 snowfalls in the Dallas-Fort Worth area for many years. So to see snowfall this far south of Oklahoma City is quite rare. It's quite nice, quite pretty. It's about 33, 32 degrees. So it's starting to stick. Grass is starting to turn white, as you can see. It's supposed to stick around through tonight, early morning, tomorrow morning. So I'm sure the rush hour and tomorrow morning is going to be a mess for all of traffic. But at least I'm able to show it to everybody, just as I'm seeing it. I apologize if I'm too close to the camera, but I don't want to get it wet. Just got it for Christmas. Yep, there's a car standing out right there. So yeah, it's coming down. Coming down like crazy. People are starting slipping and sliding. We still got snow from the other day, actually. That's actually from 4 days ago. So, just wanted y'all to see it. Hope y'all are able to view it, ask questions if you got questions or something. I'm going to be making more videos, so keep checking on